Hey everybody, it's me and Draco here today. I'm Audrey Berm. For those of you who don't know me, I'm in Canada on the west coast in British Columbia in a little town called Aldergrove, not too far outside of Vancouver. So we get to go to concerts and all that kind of stuff, but I get to live the rural life. Anyway, another kiln opening today, so let's get started. Okay, so today I'll show you stuff that I use the Camille Hoffman Slow Cool program to, but the fifth segment is augmented to 2175 to get it a little bit hotter. And most of these are Celadons. So, and I'm using Plainsman 370 clay, Plainsman 340, Plainsman 340S. And there's a little bit of Georgie's Toasted Trail. So here we go. So this hand-built plate is 340S. So you can see there's like a fine speckle in it. And this is Amico's seaweed. Just plain seaweed. I used a roller that I hand carved on it of birch trees, which, yeah, you can kind of see it, but yeah, that's really nice. I've never used just seaweed before. And then this one is just turquoise. This is 370 clay, and it's just Mako's turquoise ice glaze. And yeah, I actually used a toy starfish for in here. That toy starfish I have works like a charm. This one is fog. Amico Fog. And then I have this leaf plate. I don't know if you can see it. The imprint is really fine. I used manganese wash on the leaf, but clearly I did not use enough. And this is Amico's ochre on 340 clay, no S. Okay, and then I have these two, which are Georgie's Toasted Trail with slip on top. And I just bisque fired them because what I'm going to do is put, I don't know if you've seen them or not, rice paper Christmas postcards that you put on sugar cookies. And I wanted to try using it on these so that they're permanent. Okay, I'll pause you for a minute. Be right back. Okay, here I am again. So I unloaded a few things while you were paused. I have this hand-built plate. Let's do it this way. I used my, I actually carved this seahorse stamp and carved the sand dollar stamp, and of course the starfish is a toy. I used fog in the imprints and then wiped it back, and then I did the whole thing in Mako turquoise twice. Mako turquoise is the base for Celadon bloom, and I didn't want too many blooms, just a few, and I didn't want them everywhere. So I did the turquoise over everything, and then in select spots did Celadon bloom. This piece is a little bit disappointing because it's stuck to the shelf, and that's because I didn't place my cookies properly, and because it did that, it cracked. But what the heck. Very pretty. I'll do it again. Okay, and then this one is another ochre plate with the leaf. The manganese showed up a little bit better this time, but clearly I need to leave more manganese there. And this is the Amico ochre. And this one was on 340 clay. So 340 is not as white as the 370. Okay, and then here I have another Maiolica tester. I did one other before. This one, yeah, I can't remember which white that is. I tried 3 Maiolica testers with different whites. So that's where you put the glaze down. And then you paint with underglaze on top of the glaze. This is on Chocolate Trail, Georgie's Chocolate Trail. And this is birch, Mako birch. Looks lovely. I like that. Very nice, that turned out. Okay, and this one, what was her name? I'll put it in the description, but I want to try her technique of blending the background. So this is chocolate, Georgie's Chocolate Trail with white slip. And then I blended the underglaze background just over and over and over again. I can show you how to do it or give the link to the lady that I watched. And then, yeah, just went for the painting. I really like it. And it's got zinc-free clear on it. I really like it. So there'll be more of that coming. Yes, they take longer, but they're sure cute. I'm gonna pause you. Okay, couple of fails. Something's tipped over. Anyway, whatever, it's pottery. This is textured turquoise on 340 clay, and it fell over and hit a cup. So I gotta grind that off. And other than that, it's in good shape. Inside I have light sepia from Amico. So just a little grinding on that one. Well, a few of them have grinding. And then this one fell over on a cup. So I've got some grinding there. And this turned out different than it usually does. I don't know if that's because it was on the bottom or what, but this is Mako's Oyster with Mako's Green Opal. It's a really nice autumny combination, but it does usually look a little bit different than this. Anyway, more grinding and refiring. And this cup, okay, this is what it fell on. So there it is, right? It's a grad cup. You did it. My godchild's initials from your godparents. But I'm telling you, this cup, it's been doomed the whole way. Like, it seriously lost its handle. So then I came up with this. Then I biscued, and it had a crack in it. But I thought, just go for it anyway. And now it falls on another cup. Like, it seriously has got a super funny story with it. Okay, this cup, hand built, 340, and it has fog and storm, and they've been applied alternately. So fog down to here, storm up to here, fog up to here, storm up to here, fog. Yeah, it turned out okay. I mean, it's a nice combination and it's a lovely mug, but it's not quite what I had envisioned. But anyway, somebody will like it. And this one, another hand-built mug, 340 clay. This is Mako's Blue Opal with Mako's turquoise. Yeah, turquoise. And then I put Celadon Bloom, but see here enough now I don't have enough Celadon Bloom. So I might refire it with some Celadon Bloom inside. Celadon Bloom. And that's Mako's Celadon Bloom. Okay, and just a hand-built soap dish with plain old light sepia, Amico's light sepia on it. Quite nice. It comes out, well, this came out quite purple. Like a nice lavender. It almost looks like lavender mist from Mako, but it's not. It's all light sepia. This is another plate with manganese sponged back with Amico ochre. Yeah, just still not enough manganese. I just don't have that much experience with the manganese yet, so. And then this is the oyster and green opal, which it turned out beautifully, but it's not what it usually is. And then I have the 3 holes because of course I lost the handle. And then what do we do as potters? We improvise. So 3 holes, and there will be a leather strap in there with a nice little bead. This is what we do. And the last piece is this hand-built mug on 340 clay. And it's all seaweed. I just thought, you know what? I just want something all seaweed, see how this glaze works. And I like it. So yeah, for a green lover, that's pretty nice. For the win, for sure. I love it. Makes me happy. Okay, so like, subscribe, helps the algorithm, and leave your comments. And until next time, I've got more traveling to the end of September, but I'll have another kiln opening soon. All right, have a great day. Peace out.